How to link CJ Dropshipping to Etsy store. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're going to show you how to link your CJ Dropshipping to your Etsy store. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now, let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply sign into your CJ Dropshipping account. Once signed in, go to the menu bar here above and you can see authorization. Click on it and then afterwards look for Etsy. Click on Etsy and in this section, you will basically be routed to another page. So here in the page, all you need to do is to click on the Add Store button. So let's exit from this pop-out first and there. Click on Add Store, after which you will basically be routed to the authorization page. So here you just need to grant the access of linking your CJ Dropshipping to your Etsy store. And then that's about it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.